In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode on Discord. If you've ever found the bright interface a bit harsh on your eyes, switching to dark mode can make a big difference. It's quick, it looks great, and it can even help reduce eye strain during long sessions. I'll walk you through the exact path to turn it on and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Discord, either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. That's the user settings button. Give that a click to open your settings. This is where you control all of Discord's preferences, from notifications to audio and, of course, your theme. Inside user settings, look over to the left sidebar. You'll find a section called App Settings. In that list, click on Appearance. This page controls how Discord looks and feels. If you have a lot of options in your sidebar, don't worry. Appearance is usually in the middle area of the list. If you can't spot it right away, try scrolling a bit or use the search field at the top of the settings panel and type Appearance to jump right there. Once you're on the appearance page, you'll see theme choices and a live preview so you can immediately see the difference. Now select the dark option. As soon as you click it, Discord will switch over instantly, giving you a darker background with lighter text. There's no need to restart the app or reload your browser. The change is immediate. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same appearance page and choose light again. Dark mode is especially helpful in low light environments, and many people find it more comfortable for extended chats, voice sessions, or when hopping between servers at night. It can also be easier on battery life for devices with OLED screens, and it tends to make colorful roll tags, emojis, and media pop a little more against the darker backdrop. Before you close settings, take a quick glance at the preview to make sure everything looks right to you. If you use Discord across multiple devices, remember that theme choices can be set per device, so you might want to repeat this on any other computers or browsers you use if you prefer a consistent look. That's all there is to it. Open user settings, go to appearance and choose dark. Enjoy your new eye-friendly Discord experience, and happy chatting.